Why are competency-based interviews common in healthcare hiring? Imagine a scenario where a healthcare organization needs to select a nurse who will be responsible for managing complex patient cases, collaborating with multidisciplinary teams, and demonstrating compassionate communication. How can the hiring process effectively identify candidates who possess these essential skills and qualities? This is where competency-based interviews come into play, serving as a vital tool in the selection process. Competency-based interviews focus on evaluating specific skills, behaviors, and attributes that are critical for success in a particular role. In healthcare, the stakes are exceptionally high because patient safety, quality of care, and effective teamwork are directly impacted by the abilities of the staff. Therefore, employers prioritize assessing competencies such as clinical judgment, communication skills, empathy, adaptability, and problem-solving capabilities. These interviews are structured around asking candidates to provide detailed examples from their past experiences that demonstrate their proficiency in key areas. For instance, a candidate might be asked to describe a situation where they had to handle a difficult patient or resolve a conflict within a medical team. The interviewer then assesses the candidate's responses to determine whether they exhibit the desired behaviors and skills. This method allows for a more objective evaluation compared to traditional interviews, which often relying on general questions and subjective impressions. Another reason competency-based interviews are prevalent in healthcare hiring is their ability to predict future performance. By examining how candidates have handled real-life situations in the past, employers gain insight into how they are likely to behave in similar circumstances. This approach aligns with the core values of healthcare organizations that prioritize patient-centered care, safety, and teamwork. Furthermore, healthcare roles often requiring a combination of technical expertise and interpersonal skills. Competency-based interviews enable interviewers to explore both aspects thoroughly. For example, a candidate's clinical knowledge can be assessed alongside their ability to communicate effectively with patients and colleagues. This comprehensive evaluation helps ensure that new hires are well-rounded professionals capable of delivering high-quality care. In addition, these interviews support fairness and consistency in the hiring process. Since questions are based on predetermined competencies, all candidates are evaluated against the same criteria, reducing potential biases. This transparency is particularly important in healthcare, where equitable hiring practices contribute to building diverse and competent teams. Overall, competency-based interviews are a strategic approach that helps healthcare organizations select individuals who not only possess the necessary technical skills, but also demonstrate the behavioral qualities essential for delivering safe, compassionate, and effective patient care.